What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is the Pokeholic Corner. In today's video, we're opening up this Celo fat pack of Donruss Basketball. And I just opened a couple of packs. I think I opened like 3 packs. And I actually pulled this very nice Ja Morant green and yellow laser. It's not, crazy valuable, but I really like the card for myself. And pretty happy with that, so I figured we'd get this one on video just in case we pull a banger. So without further ado, if you guys want, you could pause it, read that if you'd like to. And yeah, here we go. So we're looking for the hollow green and yellow laser parallels. That's what come in these fat packs. Okay, that was a horrible opening. Okay. We have a Kyrie Irving, okay. And the players that I like, I put them to the side, even if they are base cards, and I sleeve them up. Jaren Jackson, Matisse Thybulle, DeAndre Ayton, Patty Mills, Norman Powell, we got Thon Maker, Langston Galloway, Markel Fultz, CJ McCollum, John Wall, we got Nikola Jokic, Derek Jones Jr., Juan Hernan Gomez. Sorry, I'm just butchering these names. We have Andre Drummond, Evan Fournier, Rui, Nerlens Noel, Ja Morant, okay. It's a base, but still good. Put in a lot. Landry Shamet, Bogdanovich, Buddy Field, Great Expectations, Obi Toppin, rookie card. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, League Leaders. And our next is going to be the hollow. But that's a pretty cool card. I like the design. And for our hit, let's see what we have. Oh my god, no way. No way. Emmanuel Quickly, numbered to 99. Wow. I can't believe I just pulled this. That's beautiful. I guess this is a red laser. Wow, that's nice. That's awesome. It's a thick card, too. Let's sleeve this guy up real quick. Okay. Very nice. And James, if you're watching this video right now, you might have gave me this pack, bro. I'm not sure. I wish I would have kept track of which was which. But man, that is lucky. I'm not sure how much this is value-wise. Let's go through the rest of our pack. We have Onyeka. I'm not going to even try to pronounce the last name. Grant Riller. It's a Hornet. Not the Hornet we want, but it's a Hornet. CJ Ellaby. Nico Mannion. And Xavier Tillman. Alright, I'm definitely going to sleeve up all those rookies. and sleeve up those and my inserts. But definitely this was the hit. Wow, that's awesome. This is, like I said, numbered to 99, 36 out of 99, and great quality. The card looks to be in very good condition. I don't see any damage on it, and it looks to be a little thicker than the other cards. Alright guys, if you liked that video, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, letting me know what you think, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace. I'll see you later.